This is Mem0 AI versus LangChain memory. Two very different ways of giving AI a memory, and the real question is simple. Which one actually remembers users in a way that feels useful instead of creepy, random, or just plain forgetful? Mem0 AI is built specifically as a memory layer. It doesn't just store chat history. It tries to compress, summarize, and organize user context into long-term structured memory. So instead of your AI forgetting everything after the session, then Mem0 is trying to act like a personal brain that remembers preferences, goals, and past conversations across time. Think of it like giving your AI a notebook that actually knows what matters and ignores the noise. LangChain memory, on the other hand, is more like a toolbox than a brain. It gives developers different memory types: buffer memory, summary memory, vector store memory, and lets you decide how your AI remembers things. It's flexible, powerful, and widely used in production agent systems, but it also means you are responsible for designing memory behavior correctly. If you mess it up, your AI either forgets everything or remembers nonsense like it's emotionally attached to your grocery list. In real-world usage, Mem0 feels more like plug and play. Developers often like it for personalization systems, AI assistants, and consumer apps where memory needs to just work without constant tuning. It's designed around long-term user profiles, retrieval, and context compression, which makes it feel closer to persistent assistant behavior out of the box. LangChain memory wins in situations where control matters. If you're building complex agent pipelines, RAG systems, or multi-step workflows where you want to decide exactly what gets stored and when, then LangChain gives you that surgical control. But that control comes at a cost of setup time and maintenance. Community feedback on platforms like Reddit often boils down to this. Mem0 feels like cheating because it just remembers, while LangChain feels like engineering memory from scratch every time you start a new project. One is opinionated and fast, the other is flexible but demands discipline. This is my final verdict then. Mem0 AI wins for practical, user-facing memory where you want personalization without complexity. LangChain memory wins for developers who want full control and don't mind building memory logic themselves. In simple terms, Mem0 remembers like a human assistant, while LangChain lets you build your own version of memory if you know what you're doing. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe.